Hey, property managers and realtors in the Calgary area, it's Kyle here at A Touch of Glass. Today is Monday Method, and by the way, the weather is plus 2 degrees out. So it is just fantastic, and I hope this snow melts right away. Today, I want to talk to you about why we use water-fed pole systems. First of all, safety is number one with our company, and we just, at the end of the day, we don't want anybody getting injured or to fall on a job site. You know, just like for your home, if someone is at your home or at a property or a condo complex, you would not want them to fall either. So that's the biggest reason. For the last 4 years, we have not used ladders and switched to water-fed pole systems. Secondly, we had to make sure the quality of work was as good as the old method or even better. Today, with modern technology, the water-fed pole system that we use with the filtration does a better job than the old method of climbing up on a ladder. I'll put it to a test any day compared to the old method to what we have now. It really does work really good. So, and it's guaranteed. We have a streak-free guarantee, so you never have to worry about that. Third, work is completed on time always because of the method and the systems that we have in place. It just guarantees that the work is going to get completed when we say it's going to get completed. So 3 huge reasons why we switched from the ladder system, which I was taught on many years ago and did quite well with it, but the 3 reasons stand out hugely of why we switched to a water-fed pole system. The 4th thing I want to talk about is damage-free. You know, the last thing you want in your condo complex or as a homeowner to have someone set a ladder up, put it right into those nice, beautiful flowers that you have, or put a ladder up against the siding of some stucco and they don't have what we call ladder mitts at the top of their ladder to protect your home, and it just damages, scrapes up the siding, your flower beds get destroyed. We don't touch that at all because of the water-fed pole system. And if you could believe this, we go up 6 stories from the ground safely. So I hope that helps you guys out. If you want more information, please visit me at www.touchofglassinc.ca, and we would love to help you out. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you tomorrow.